In the quiet hush of a city park, where morning mist clung to the grass and birdsong greeted the day, a story unfolded that would capture the heart of a nation. Sunlight filtered through the leaves of tall, ancient trees, casting a gentle glow on a worn wooden bench. Seated there was a man, a single dad, a veteran. His jacket, though old, was worn with a certain dignity, but his eyes held a story of pain, loss, and a quiet, unyielding kindness. He reached into a small paper bag and pulled out his only meal for the day. It was simple, meager, yet it was everything he had. As he hesitated, his stomach growling with a hunger he knew all too well, a gentle breeze rustled the leaves around him. It was then he saw him, a stranger, approaching slowly, his shoulders slumped in shame, his body weak with hunger. Their eyes met for just a moment, a fleeting connection of shared hardship. The veteran looked from the stranger's desperate face back down to the food in his hands. His mind flashed back to the battlefield, to the gnawing hunger, the constant fear, the profound sacrifices made in the name of duty. He took a deep, steadying breath. In that moment, a choice was made. He stood up, his movements deliberate, and walked toward the stranger. He held out the small meal. "Please, take this," he said, his voice soft but firm. The stranger was stunned, his eyes wide with disbelief. "But this is yours," he whispered, his voice trembling. The veteran offered a gentle, tired smile. "I've survived worse," he replied, a world of meaning held in those three simple words. As the leaves rustled in the background, the stranger's hands shook as he accepted the food. Tears welled up and streamed down his face, a dam of despair finally breaking. The veteran didn't leave. He sat down on the grass beside him, and under the watchful eyes of the trees, they shared what little there was. What neither of them knew was that this small, profound act of humanity was being witnessed. A passerby, moved by the scene, quietly recorded it on their phone. The video was uploaded without fanfare, a simple recording of a quiet moment in a park. But then, something incredible happened. It began to spread. First, a few hundred views, then thousands, then millions. Across America, people watched in stunned silence. The comment sections flooded with messages of awe and admiration. "A true hero," one person wrote. "This restored my faith in humanity," said another. The ripple effect was immediate and overwhelming. Donations began pouring in from every corner of the country, a tidal wave of generosity for the man who had given away his last meal. Local news crews descended on the park, trying to find the humble veteran. When they found him, he was bewildered by the attention. "I just helped someone who needed it," he said, his humility shining through. "It's what you do." But the world had decided his kindness deserved a response. A community rallied around him. A local shelter offered him and his child a safe place to stay. Job opportunities, real and promising, began to appear. Support services stepped up to help his child, ensuring they had everything they needed. Before he could even process what was happening, a small home was arranged for them, a place with green grass and rooms filled with sunlight. Standing in his new home, holding his child tightly in his arms, the veteran finally let the tears fall, tears not of sorrow, but of overwhelming relief and gratitude. When reporters asked him how he felt, his answer was simple and profound. "Kindness saved me," he said. Sometime later, the stranger he had helped returned. He was healthier now, his eyes brighter, a smile on his face. The two men embraced, a hug that spoke volumes, a testament to the connection they had forged in a moment of shared vulnerability. The park where it all began seemed brighter, the trees swaying proudly in the breeze, the sound of children's laughter filling the air. Hope had taken root in that very spot. The veteran was no longer invisible. He walked with a newfound confidence, though his humble and kind spirit remained unchanged. He began volunteering, dedicating his time to helping others who were walking the same difficult path he had just left behind. The green park became a symbol of humanity, of sacrifice, and of the enduring power of hope. His story was shared in schools, discussed in churches, and amplified by creators across the internet. Millions were inspired. One meal, one simple choice had changed everything. The echo of his kindness resonated nationwide. The veteran found something more valuable than any donation. He found a renewed sense of purpose. As the sun set, casting a golden glow across the sky, his story lived on, a powerful reminder that in the end, kindness always wins. If this story touched your heart, please like and share it to spread the message of kindness even further. And don't forget to subscribe to Kindness Quest for more real stories that restore faith in humanity. Thank you for watching.